Hello everyone, I am Anuj Kandi. Today I will show you how to make a crane or robotic hand using Arduino. For this project, we will need an Arduino Uno, 4 servo motors, 4 potentiometers, 2 breadboards, few jumper cables, 4 AA cells, few wooden pieces and few cardboard pieces to use as a base. First, take a cardboard piece. Drill 2 holes on it as shown. Then, take a wooden piece and drill 2 holes in it and attach a blade of servo motor on it. Attach this to the cardboard piece using screws. Then, attach 2 servo motors using wooden sticks and attach 1 servo to the blade on the base. Take another wooden piece and attach 1 servo to one end of the stick and on the other end a blade. Now attach this to the servo motor that we had attached to the base earlier. Now take another servo motor and attach the wooden pieces and the blade as shown. Now attach this to the servo that we had attached earlier. Now let's attach the Arduino and the breadboards. Take another cardboard piece and keep the parts like this. You can also tape them. Now let's do the wiring. First, connect the potentiometers to the breadboard. Now, connect the positive terminal of each of the potentiometer to the positive railing on the breadboard. Also connect the negative terminal of the potentiometers to the negative railing on the breadboard. Now, connect the signal pins of the potentiometers to the analog input pins on the Arduino Uno. You can refer the wiring diagram for this. Now, connect the positive railing of the breadboard to the 5A pin on Arduino and the negative railing on the breadboard to the GND pin on Arduino. Since the servo motors have female wires attached to them, we shall connect male to male wires to the female headers of the servo motor. Now, we will connect the positive pins of all the servo motors to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now, connect the negative pins of all the servo motors to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Finally, connect the signal pins of the servo motors to the PWM digital pins on Arduino Uno. You can refer to the wiring diagram for this. Connect the positive wire of the battery connector to the positive railing on breadboard and negative wire of battery connector to negative railing on breadboard. Finally, connect the negative railing on the breadboard to a GND pin on the Arduino. In the code, we first include the servo library. Then, we create 4 servo objects to control the servo motors. Then, we declare the analog pins to which the potentiometers are connected. After that, we create variables to store the value of potentiometers. In the void setup, we attach the servo motors. In the void loop, first, this function reads the value of the potentiometer. Then this function scales it for the use of servo motors. This function sets the servo position according to the scale value and a delay is inserted. Now, this is repeated for all the servo motors.